Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I am Sunil Mirwani and today we will be doing this chapter called as cost sheet. We are going to do question number 12 today. We are doing question number 12 today in the books of Supervision Company. Cost sheet for the year ending, they have given you. Okay, let's see this. Now they have given you data for 1 year and they've asked you to make for the other year. For the given year, first year, CPU TC units. Second year, CPU TC units. Okay, let's start, guys. Supervision company furnishes you the information about 1000 TV sets. Units are 1000 TV sets manufactured and sold by the company. Material cost is given to you as 18 lakhs. Material cost is given to you as 18 lakhs. Wages is 10 lakhs. Right? Then they've given you direct expenses is not given to you. There is no direct expenses. So that will give you prime cost. This is going to be 28 lakhs. I can also find out the CPU. How do I find out CPU? CPU is TC divided by units. So this is going to be 1800 and this is going to be 1000. Fine, do we get this in here? Next, let's move on ahead. Now, they've given you the distribution. Let's see what all will go in factory overheads. Working note 1. Factory overheads. Let's see what all would go in factory overheads. They've given you power and stores. Is a factory overheads. Power and stores. Power and stores is given to you as 2,40,000. Then you have indirect wages. Indirect wages is a factory overheads. Yeah. Then you have factory lighting. Factory lighting. Factory is 1,20,000. Then you have cost of rectifying defective work. Cost of rectifying defective work is given to you as 60,000. Right? Office and administrative no, selling no, sale no, sale no, repairs and depreciation of machinery. Repairs and depreciation of machinery. 2 lakhs. Right? When you add all this comes 9,20,000. Fine, do we get this in there? So your factory overheads is 9,20,000. Divide by 1000 is going to be 920. Okay, we didn't write this. This is 2800. Okay. Then there's some sale of scrap. Sale of scrap is 40,000. So this is going to be 40. So in which case, someone needs 3680. 3680 and 3 more zeros. 36,80,000. That's my work cost. Okay. Next, office and administrative overheads is given to you as 6,80,000. 680. 4360. 43,60,000. Fine, do we get this in here? Now, there is no opening and closing stock of finished goods. So this will come here as it is 4360 and 43,60,000. Right? Next, sales overheads, selling and distribution overheads is 1,20,000. Right? So this is 120. 4480. 44 lakh 80,000. Right? Now, sales is given to you as 62 lakhs. Sales is given to you as 62 lakhs. Right? So this is 6,200. Someone please give me the cost. 1720. So that was the first year data. Straightforward, no problem. Now let's see the second year data. Material cost and direct wages will increase by 15%. All calculations have to be made on CPU, right? So 1800 plus 15%. So material will be 1800 on your calculator. Sorry, material is 10%. So on your calculator 1800. On your calculator 1800 plus 10% will come to 1980. 1980, right? Similarly, wages do 1000 plus 15%, 1150, 3130, right? Next, they said that factory overheads are to be recovered as a percentage of direct wages last year. Now guys, look at your factory overheads. Is 920. Out of that, 40 rupees is sale of scrap. So how much is the net factory overheads of last year? 880, right? So I can say working note 2. When they say has to be recovered as a percentage, that means factory overheads has to be recovered as a percentage of direct wages upon direct wages of last year should be equal to factory overheads upon direct wages of current year, right? Factory overheads of last year is 880. I told you how net you have to take. Direct wages of last year is 1000 is equal to factory overheads upon direct wages of current year is 1150. So factory overheads is how much? Someone please calculate. 1150 into 880 divided by 1000. 1012. So the net factory overheads of the current year are going to be 1012. Fine. This is not there. So this is 2414142. Fine. Do we get this in here? Next. Office overheads and selling overheads have to be recovered as a percentage of work cost last year. So we'll do this here. Working note 3. Office overheads upon work cost of last year is equal to office overheads upon work cost of current year. Office overheads of last year is 680. Work cost of last year is 3680. Is office overheads upon work cost of current year you found out is 4142. So office overheads is going to be 4142 into 680 divided by 3680. Someone please help me.
765.
Is 765. 765.
4907.
4907. 4907. Next, sales overheads is also to be recovered as a percentage of work cost. So working note 4. Sales overheads upon work cost of last year is equal to sales overheads upon work cost of current year. Sales overheads is 120. Work cost is 3680. Sales overheads we don't know. Work cost of the current year is nothing but 4142.
135.
Sales overheads is 135. 5?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. 135.
504.
5042. Right? Now, 1500 TV sets are produced and sold for 6600. The selling price per unit is given to you as 6600.
155.
1558. Now they are saying that 1500 TV sets are produced. So units are 1500. Right? So 1980 into 1500. Someone please do that. 29,70,000. Then 1150 into 1500. 17,25,000. So this will come to 46,95,000. Next, 15 lakh,
18,000.
18,000. How are we doing this, guys? CPU into units, that's how we are doing this. Next,
62 lakh 13,000.
62 lakh, 13,000.
11 lakh 47,500.
11 lakh, 47,500. Next,
73 lakh 60,500.
73 lakh, 60,500. 73 lakh, 60,500.
2 lakh 2,500.
2 lakh,
2,500. 2025.
2025.
2 lakh
2
2,000.
lakh 2,500.
75
75
lakh.
lakh 63,000.
75 lakhs.
63,000.
How much is this?
23 lakh 37,000.
99 lakh.
99 lakh.
Right? That finishes that sum. Let's move on to the next sum, guys. This was supervision. Sum number 12. Let's start with sum number 13, people. You will copy later. I'll leave that on the board. Question number 13. In the books of, in respect of a factory. So in the books of, they haven't told you the name. In the books of is not given to you. Cost sheet. They've given you 2 years data, first year, second year, CPU, TC, CPU, TC, units, units. Right? Let's see this. Now, in respect of a factory, the following figures have been obtained. Cost of material is 12 lakhs. Cost of material is 12 lakhs. Factory overheads is 6 lakhs. Factory overheads is given to you as 6 lakhs. Okay. Next, selling overheads is given to you as 4 lakh 48,000. Selling overheads is given to you as 4 lakh 48,000. Right. Next. Okay. Here they've given you distribution overheads is 2 lakh 80,000. So with selling overheads, there's distribution overheads, which is 2 lakh 80,000. Okay. Next, direct wages is given to you as 10 lakhs. Direct wages is given to you as 10 lakhs. Next, administrative overheads is given to you as 6 lakh 72,000. Administrative overheads is given to you as 6 lakh 72,000. Next, profit is given to you as 8 lakh 40,000. Profit is 8 lakh 40,000. Right, let's start. Are they giving you the number of units? No,
No.
they haven't given you the number of units. So this is going to be 22 lakhs. This is
28 lakh.
time cost is 22 lakhs.
Work cost 28 lakhs. And cost of production 34 lakhs 72,000.
There's no opening and closing stock of finished goods.
No. So cost of finished goods is again 34 lakhs 72,000. This
This
is 42 lakhs.
4 lakh 48,000.
no, 40 she's talking
I'm talking about total cost. Sales is 50 lakh 40,000.
Now the unique part about this sum is units is not given to you, and I just explained to you that whenever you are doing a second year data, all your calculations have to be on units. Sorry, on CPU. Since units is not given, you don't have CPU. Now how do I do the calculation? They've given you material is 1600 and wages is 10,000. Material is 1600 and wages is 16,000, right?
16,000.
16,000 and 10,000. Material and wages for the second year are 16,000 and 10,000.
26,000.
So this is going to be 26,000. Now, they haven't given you any other data. They have said that assuming that the rate of factory overheads has increased by 20%. Let's see the working out, guys. Let's see this. Factory overheads. When you do not have the CPU, this is how you will do the calculation. Factory overheads upon direct wages. Why direct wages? You are supposed to know this by heart, that factory overheads is always calculated as a percentage of direct wages. So factory overheads upon direct wages of last year is factory overheads upon direct wages of current year. Right? Factory overheads of last year was 6 lakhs upon direct wages of last year was 10 lakhs is factory overheads upon direct wages of current year is 10,000. So you will get factory overheads of the current year to be 6,000, but they haven't said that it has increased proportionately. They have said that factory overheads have gone up by 20%. Factory overheads have gone up by 20%. This would have been proportionate increase, but this is not proportionate increase. It has gone up by 20%. So whatever is the factory overheads plus another 20% to that, so that will be 7,200. So factory overheads of the current year will be 7,200. Someone please do this. 33,200. Now remember one thing. It's only factory overheads that is calculated as a percentage of direct wages. All other expenses are calculated as a percentage of work cost. Okay. Next, let's move on ahead. They give you that we've already got the work cost. Factory overheads is this much. Distribution overheads have gone down by 10%. So let's calculate distribution overheads. Distribution overheads. All other expenses are calculated as a percentage of work cost. So distribution overheads upon work cost of last year should give you distribution overheads upon work cost of current year for proportionate increase. Distribution overheads of last year was 2,80,000. Work cost of last year was 28 lakhs. Distribution overheads. Work cost of current year is 33,200. So you will get proportionate increase direct overheads, distribution overheads as 3320, right? But they have said that distribution overheads have gone down by 10%. So whatever the amount minus 10%. 2988. So the distribution overheads for the current year is going to be 2988, right? Next, they've also said that selling and administrative overheads have gone up by 12.5% each. Let's first see selling overheads. Selling overheads upon work cost of last year is selling overheads upon work cost of current year. Selling overheads. Selling overheads of last year was 4,48,000 upon 28 lakhs is selling overheads upon work cost 33,200. So you will get selling overheads to be something 5312. But they have said that selling overheads have gone up by 12.5%. So add 12.5% to this.
5976.
5976. Right? So this is going to be selling overheads will be 5976. Right? Next, let's see this. They also said that administrative overheads have gone up. So administrative overheads upon direct, work cost of last year is administrative overheads upon work cost of current year. Administrative overheads is 6,72,000 upon work cost 28 lakhs is administrative overheads upon work cost. Work cost 33,200. So your proportionate increase, some of these calculators 7968. But they are saying that it has gone up by 12.5%. Right? How much is this?
8964.
8964. So this is 8964. Someone
42164.
there is no opening and closing stock of finished goods, so this will be 42164. Right? Someone please add that. How much is the total cost?
51,128.
1,128.
right? Now let's see the sales. Now they are saying that at what price should the product be sold so as to earn the same profit on selling price as in the previous year. Let's first find out the profit percentage of previous year. How do I find out profit percentage of previous year? Profit percentage is profit upon selling price into 100, right? Now, this can be written as 8,40,000
Upon 15,40,000.
into 100. Someone please get me this.
16.6%.
Huh?
16.66%.
16.66%. Now once you have this, I need for the current year also the same profit. How do I do this? Cost price, selling price, profit. Assume selling price to be 100. Profit you just found out is 16.66. So 100 minus 16.66 will be your cost price. 83.33. Right? You have found out the cost price to be 51128. Now 51128 into 100 divided by 83.3333. Take it till the end. You will get your selling price. Someone get me the selling price, please.
61,353.
Subtract the two.
10,225.
That will be your problem. That finishes that sum. We will stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.